Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, 7th May 2020. Year 2 Maths, fractions, non-unit, fractions. Right, pause the video and make sure you have your workbook and a pencil. Please download the sheet from class charts, fractions, non-unit, fractions. Write the short date at the top of the page, 7.5.20. Write the LI, non-unit, fractions. Once you have finished your work, please send a photo of your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. Right, we are going to be looking at this part of the knowledge organizer where it says non-unit fractions. So non-unit means where the numerator is greater than 1. So in this case, looking at the denominator, we got 3 equal parts. And looking at the numerator, if we've got 2, that means 2 parts have been shaded in. Now, looking at this shape here, looking at the denominator, we have got 4 parts, and the numerator says 3, so that means 3 parts have been shaded in. Let's go through the key vocabulary. Please repeat after me. Whole, part, equal, non-unit, fraction, denominator, numerator. We are going to look at the video which is part of the White Rose scheme that the school follow. Pause the video here and please make sure you have downloaded the worksheet from class charts, as the video is going to ask you to complete some questions. This is what the non-unit fractions worksheet looks like.
Welcome back. Unit fractions last time and non-unit fractions this time. But first, here's our flashback 4. So our question from the last couple of days, Eva gives a third of her money away. How much money does she give away? We've got our pennies lined up there, perfect to be put into a bar model, which we can split into 3 equal parts. Then our second question, what fraction of the triangle is shaded? Well, it's a tricky one, this, because the word triangle, gives the indication of 3, and the image looks like it's got 3 parts, so be careful with that one. Sorting some shapes, and then adding up some money. And don't forget the clock. Okay, how did you get on with those? A third of Eva's money, so she had 9 pence altogether, so a third of that was 3 pence. The fraction of the triangle, it wasn't a third of the triangle, it was a quarter. The shapes have been sorted into 3-sided shapes and 4-sided shapes. Then how much money was there? So I started with the larger amounts of money. The £10 and the £5 was 15, and then I added the two £2, which gave me £19, and then there were 3 pence left over. £19 and 3 pence. And the clock was either 11:45 or 11:45. Okay, non-unit fractions. Once again, what do you notice about these shapes? Yes, you're very good at this now. They have been split into equal parts, and this time, more than one of those equal parts has been shaded. So we know that more than one of these parts has been shaded, but what fraction of each square has been shaded? Things to think about with this activity. Remember, first think how many equal parts, and that gives us your denominator, and then think how many parts have been shaded, and that gives us the numerator. Okay, have a go at those. Very good. The first one, we have 4 equal parts, and 3 of those parts have been shaded, so that's 3/4. The middle one, we've got 4 equal parts again, and 2 of those parts have been shaded, so that's 2/4. And the third one, we've got 4 equal parts, shaded, so that's 4 quarters. Now you know all about unit fractions and non-unit fractions. Have a go at questions 1 to 5. We know a non-unit fraction is a fraction with a numerator greater than 1. So can you sort these into unit fractions and non-unit fractions? The first one is 3 quarters. That's right, a non-unit fraction, because the numerator is greater than 1. 6/7. That's right, non-unit fraction, because the numerator is greater than 1. The numerator is 6, that's greater than 1. This shape. It's been split into 4 equal parts, and 3 of those parts have been shaded blue. So that would be 3 quarters. So it's a non-unit fraction. However, is there a way we could think of this as a unit fraction? If we were concentrating on the white parts, and we were asked how much of the shape has been shaded white, 1 out of 4 parts has been shaded white, 1 quarter, which is a unit fraction. I'll trick you on that one. Here we have 3 birds. One of the birds has been circled, 1/3. Is that a unit fraction? Yes, because the numerator is 1. 5 muffins. One of the muffins has been circled. 1/5 of the muffins has been circled. So yes, that is a unit fraction. And our final one, 1 quarter. Yes, that is a unit fraction, because the numerator is 1. Can you make any of your own? Have a go. Pause the video here and have a go at questions 6 and 7.
Let's recap. What is a unit fraction? It is a fraction where the numerator is 1. What is a non-unit fraction? It is a fraction where the numerator is greater than 1. Right, let's look at these diagrams here. What fraction is shaded in each diagram? So please have a go at writing down the fractions for each diagram. Right, let's see. That's right. So, got 1 part shaded in out of 3, so it's 1/3. 2 parts are shaded in, so it's 2/3. And 3 parts are shaded in, so it's 3/3. So you can see that the denominator is the same because every time it's divided into 3 equal parts. But the numerator is changing because it depends on how many parts have been shaded in. Right, so in this case, the denominator is 4 because there's 4 equal parts. And the numerator is going to be changing every time more parts have been shaded in. So in this case, 1 part has been shaded in, so it's 1/4. This is 2 parts have been shaded in, so it's 2/4. 3 parts have been shaded in, so it's 3/4. 4 parts have been shaded in, so it's 4/4. Once you have finished your work, please send a photo of your work at year2@grange.harrow.sch.uk. Thank you. See you on Monday.